pleasing. Your problem, you don't listen. And the man who is America, you have a God who speaks to you. Monday,
Jesus.
Tuesday, Wednesday, God speaks to you. Service Thursday, home set. Saturday, young adults. But you don't have any ear to listen. When they are done, you do the opposite. Because you do not listen. I said to you, the priests were there. Educated people were there. In fact, all these kind of portfolios, qualified professions, were captured in Babylon with their qualifications, with their knowledge. Because those things does not work if you do not listen to God. Who come from a qualification, and it's not because you did not pass well. No, when I'm not transcript your way, but it's not working for you. Now I'm short by short is that I was ear to listen to God. It opens doors. Because I'm in a level. She don't wash in a favor. She don't wash in the remote. She don't wash in the When I was preaching here, I said to you, in fact, I quoted a scripture where Jesus Christ asked his disciples, why do you continue to call me Father if you do not listen to me? That's why I'm here to say to you, God is not concerned about all these things that you are doing. People will listen to him. As long as you listen to him, that will open doors for you. Another problem that you have is that you are concerned about other people. You have stopped listening to God because you have seen people failing to listen to him. Instead of adhering to his words, whenever you are comparing yourself to other people, your salvation is your salvation alone. That's why my apostle Paul work out your own salvation. Many people who fail to receive, they start to prosper when they are old.
And time is no more.
Nako e ba isa le gona.
Go and make your research.
Tsamaya lo dira research.
Because now they are old.
Ka go bana ga le ba godile.
They cannot do adult the way they did before.
Ba sa gona go dira botho ka tsile ba ba dira kwa mara.
In fact, they are realizing now
Ba le mara ga le nyana.
that they have wasted a lot of time.
Gore ba tshitse na go e.
They want to give their life to Jesus
Ba
Christ.
nya ke go fa bophelo ba.
They start to be serious about everything.
Ba thoma go ba serious ka dilo.
Because ba sungula ka ku xava xitina.
Ke bona ba thoma go ba.
And se va kurile.
Ene be ba.
Loko va heta ku aka va fa.
Ba fetsa wa.
Va siyela yilo ya vana.
Ba siyela
A
bana.
va ta va ake khale.
Go ba to ba.
Loko a va na ndlela ya ku yingisela xikwembu.
Ai ka ba